Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that